Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding the derivative of this composite function is fast if you stay organized. Let's solve for the value of h prime of 3. First, we apply the chain rule twice to differentiate our function. The derivative of f of g of x squared is f prime of g of x squared times g prime. Next, we plug in 3 for x. This gives us f prime of g of 9 times g prime of 9 times 6. Now we just pull values from the table. Finally, we multiply -5 by 2 and then by 6. This calculation gives us -60. Option B is the final answer. Well done! Scan the code. You could learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.